So we're at the MLK Read-In event at Wake Forest. The event brings together 3 universities, Wake Forest, Winston-Salem State, and the School of the Arts. We invite kids from all over the community to participate in literacy events that they get to hang out with college students who are being activity leaders and their bigs for the day. This event embodies our motto, which is Pro Humanitate, for humanity, because it ties together Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.'s mission for a better world, a better life for everyone.
This event is about Martin Luther King Jr. and how he is so inspirational to other adults and children. We've been with our buddies walking around, having fun, looking at these different stations. We've done a lot of reading and coloring.
A lot.
And we've just gotten to have fun.
And we've gotten to know our buddies.
Yeah.
There are many things that I love about this event, but the one thing that I love is to see our bigs, which are our college students and community leaders, partner up with children from the community and to come together and actually talk about things that they deal with in their lives that is connected to diversity.